Silicon Valley's Independent Living Center AT and DDAR demonstration of the 2500 mAh solar power bank. Today we'll be showing you what comes in the solar power bank, how to use it, and charge it. The solar power bank comes with a battery pack, a solar panel, instructions, a USB charging cable, and a hook to attach it to your bag. In order to attach the solar panel to the battery pack, you must first take it out of the bag. Then on the side, you will see an arrow where you can pull off the little side. Then you will go ahead and unravel the solar panel and attach it to the side you took off the little cap at. It'll be attached by a magnetic strip. You can charge your battery pack by either placing it out in the sun with the solar panels attached or plugging in the USB cord to the wall. To remove the solar panel strip, simply fold back the solar panels, pull off from the battery pack, and then reattach the side panel. On the side of the battery pack, you will notice a power button. If you press it once, it will go ahead and put on the flashlight. If you push the power button on once, it'll do a light, flashlight, twice for SOS, and 3 times for flashing. To turn it off, press and hold down. The solar power charger can be used to charge many items, from a tablet, laptop, or cell phone. Do keep in mind you need to bring your own cords in order to use it. To plug in your device, pull open the USB flap. You will then notice it has a couple different ports that you can put in the respective charging cables. In order to attach the keychain function, you're going to have to pull open the hook, loop in the keychain, and then you can also attach the hook to a bag.